Let's make a Jini Dosa, the Mumbai street food. It's a healthy because there's a lot of vegetable added to the dosa. Today I'm making with our dosa batter. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye. We can make 3 dosa with this mix. We need 100 grams of butter, sliced onions just half, julienne capsicum 1, 150 grams of cabbage, 5 sprigs of cilantro fine chopped, half cup of Szechuan sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. Mix well, cook for 2 minutes. It should be crunchy. Turn off the flame, kept it aside. Dosa Batter recipe is there in my channel. On a hot skillet, pour the dosa batter and make a thin dosa like this. Extra batter, spread it all around. Add some butter, spread it all over the dosa. Add the vegetable mix on top of the dosa. Spread it all over evenly. Sprinkle mozzarella cheese on top. Cover it beautifully. Add some green onions on the top. Sprinkle some cilantro. Remove the dosa from the edges. Start rolling it. It will be hot, be careful. If you want to remove the whole dosa, remove it from the skillet and roll it. Remove the dosa onto a clean cutting board. Cut it as you wish, either 3 or 4. You will get beautiful street food of Mumbai, the Jini Dosa. The Jini Dosa with the dosa batter. It's very easy to make but very delicious. See, it's already half now. Just enjoy and eat. Don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Just